Imagine navigating life's vast ocean, not with a map drawn by others' expectations, but guided by the stars of your deepest truths. The journey to true self-realization isn't hindered by the pursuit of external validation or societal approval, but by overlooking our own validation-driven inertia. Embark on a transformative path with the true yoga approach, where embracing existential anxieties becomes the compass to personal and spiritual enlightenment. Dive deep into this revelation in our new video. These leads are crafted to resonate with the audience's existential struggles, offering a new perspective on overcoming them through the teachings and approach of true yoga, encouraging viewers to seek authenticity and personal growth. Hi, I am Ethan Foster, and my mission here is to guide you from untruth to truth through different perspectives and old teachings. Let's explore together the extraordinary potential of being human. In an era where foreign philosophies illuminate the corridors of human thought, the narrative of Søren Kierkegaard, a luminary born in 1813 in Copenhagen, Denmark, emerges with compelling clarity. From an early age, Kierkegaard was immersed in a world where philosophical discourse was the norm, thanks to his father's profound intellectual pursuits. This environment nurtured his curiosity and laid the groundwork for his future studies in philosophy and theology at the University of Copenhagen. Yet, it wasn't long before he found himself at odds with the philosophical and historical texts of his time, which he perceived as disconnected from the tangible essence of human experience. This dissonance would eventually shape his philosophical voyage. Kierkegaard's most significant philosophical contribution is his exploration of angst, or existential anxiety, as detailed in his seminal work, The Concept of Anxiety. He ventures deep into this unique human condition, unveiling insights into our existence's core. Unlike medical anxieties, Kierkegaard's angst is a profound contemplation on our being's fundamental uncertainties and the unknowns that surround us. From the moment of our birth, we're cast into an inherently unpredictable world, brimming with possibilities, choices, and dilemmas that stir a deep unease within us. This existential reflection prompts us to confront life's vastness, the enormity of the unknown, and the heavy mantle of responsibility freedom bestows upon us. Kierkegaard posits that our angst is born from our consciousness, our capacity for self-reflection, and our awareness of our own subjectivity. This awareness thrusts us into a tension between our desire for certainty and the ambiguity of our existence. We yearn for stability, yet we're met with the constant flux of life, where absolute certainty remains elusive. Kierkegaard's philosophy offers a profound understanding of how anxiety, freedom, and the search for a meaningful life are interwoven. He famously articulated that anxiety is the dizziness of freedom, encapsulating the notion that anxiety springs from our freedom to choose, to make decisions that shape our lives. However, this freedom is accompanied by a significant responsibility for our actions, which can evoke profound anxiety. In modern times, this state of existential anxiety has become a hallmark of the human condition, with individuals often feeling overwhelmed by the choices and responsibilities that define their existence. This perspective, enriched by the timeless wisdom found in True Yoga, invites use to consider the psychological and existential dimensions of our being. True Yoga teaches that while we may engage in the psychological drama of life, it's essential to recognize that this is but a fraction of our existential reality. Our psychological experiences, fears, and anxieties are often self-created, akin to dreams with no existential basis, yet they feel intensely real. Furthermore, True yoga elucidates the concept of existential freedom and responsibility, emphasizing that life's true essence transcends our immediate psychological and physical experiences. It encourages us to look beyond our immediate concerns and anxieties, inviting us to explore the deeper dimensions of existence and find security and stability in the enduring aspects of life, beyond the ephemeral nature of our psychological and physical realities. In essence, Kierkegaard's exploration of existential anxiety and the insights from true yoga beckon us to embrace the vastness and unpredictability of life with courage and a sense of responsibility. They urge us to confront and transcend the limitations of our psychological dramas, to explore the depths of our existence, and to seek a life of meaning and purpose within the boundless realm of existential freedom. Embracing the power of passion. In a world teeming with infinite choices and bombarded by information, the journey of making decisions that reflect our deepest desires often leads to a battleground of existential anxieties. This reality, marked by the overwhelming challenge of aligning our choices with our envisioned outcomes, underscores a universal struggle. However, contrary to the common perception that views anxiety as a negative facet of life, there exists a profound perspective that sees it as a vital component of our existential and personal development. This perspective, deeply rooted in the philosophical explorations of the past, finds a powerful echo in the teachings of true yoga, which offers a transformative vision of navigating life's inherent uncertainties. In the midst of this existential quandary, the concept of passion emerges as a beacon of light, guiding us through the labyrinth of anxiety towards a realm of personal growth and self-realization. Passion, in its most authentic form, is not merely an intense emotion but a dynamic force capable of infusing our lives with purpose, vitality, and a profound sense of fulfillment. Whether it manifests in love, creative pursuits, personal growth, or career aspirations, passion is the compass that directs us towards our true north, towards what resonates deeply within the core of our being. True yoga teaches us that the essence of a fulfilling life is not found in the external validation of our actions, but in the alignment of our pursuits with our innermost truths and values. It encourages us to delve into the depths of our subjectivity, to uncover and embrace the passions that reflect our unique perspectives and aspirations. In the pursuit of these passions, we are invited to transcend the conventional, to venture beyond the realm of objective reasons and societal norms, and to anchor ourselves in the authenticity of our experiences. This journey towards embracing our subjective truth is not without its challenges. It requires a leap of faith, a profound trust in the authenticity of our own experiences and aspirations. This leap is both emotional and existential, demanding a willingness to embrace uncertainty and to face the anxieties that arise when we step beyond the comfort of collective beliefs. Yet, it is in this very leap that we find the essence of living, a commitment to a life guided by personal significance, even in the absence of external validation. True yoga further illuminates this path by emphasizing the transformative power of directing our passions towards higher purposes. It teaches us that every bit of energy, whether it manifests as desire, passion, fear, or anger, can be channeled towards our spiritual growth and enlightenment. This holistic approach to life's energies not only accelerates our journey towards self-realization, but also fosters a deeper connection with the essence of existence. In conclusion, the philosophical insights into passion and the teachings of true yoga converge on a profound truth. The essence of a meaningful life lies in the pursuit of passions that are deeply rooted in our subjective truths. By embracing this path, we not only navigate the complexities of existential anxiety, but also embark on a transformative journey towards self-realization and the ultimate freedom of being. Transcending anxiety, a leap towards true self-realization. The quest for validation and intellectual consensus often ensnares our thoughts and emotions, acting as a formidable barrier to our progress and decision-making capabilities. This relentless pursuit can cloud our judgment, sap our motivation, and, paradoxically, lead us into a state of inertia. Yet, the teachings rooted in true yoga offer a profound counter-narrative to this predicament, aligning closely with the philosophical insights of the past, which posit that succumbing to the paralyzing grip of anxiety only exacerbates despair and fragments our existence. True yoga emphasizes that anxiety, if left unchecked, has the potential to consume us, leaving us stagnant and disconnected from the vibrancy of life. It teaches us that by allowing anxiety to dictate our choices and immobilize us, we unwittingly forfeit our power to shape our destiny. We become ensnared in a cycle of hesitation, fear, and missed opportunities. Conversely, by confronting anxiety head-on and embracing the discomfort and uncertainty it presents, we can reclaim agency over our lives. This approach acknowledges the inherent risks and uncertainties of decision-making but refuses to be dominated by them. At the heart of this philosophy is the understanding that our self-development is intricately linked to our willingness to face the anxieties of existence. True yoga articulates that true self-realization and meaning are attainable only through courageous leaps of faith and an unwavering embrace of life's uncertainties. This perspective encourages us to transcend societal norms and the distractions that impede personal growth and self-discovery. The journey towards self-realization and personal fulfillment, as expounded by true yoga, is not one of comfort. It demands that we confront the existential anxiety stemming from the unknown, the unpredictable, and the complexities of human existence. By engaging with our anxieties, we embark on a path of self-exploration and transcendence. True yoga teaches that self-realization requires a resolute commitment to authenticity and a rejection of the pressures to conform. Society often imposes expectations and standards that can stifle our individuality, causing us to lose touch with our true selves. To find meaning and purpose, we must resist the temptation to mold ourselves into preconceived notions and instead honor our unique perspectives, passions, and aspirations. True yoga warns against the dangers of conformity and complacency, advocating for a life that embraces uncertainty, ventures into the unknown, and celebrates the richness of our individuality. In sum, true yoga and philosophical insights converge on a critical truth. The path to fulfillment and self-discovery lies beyond the confines of conformity. It is a journey marked by the embrace of uncertainty, a deep commitment to personal authenticity, and the courageous confrontation of existential anxieties. Through this transformative approach, we not only navigate the complexities of life, but also unlock the profound potential for growth and enlightenment inherent within us all. The journey within, beyond distraction to discovery. In the intricate dance of life, experiences, escapism, and distractions often emerge as formidable adversaries on the path to self-realization. These diversions, ranging from mindless entertainment to excessive busyness, not only numb our existential anxieties but also steer us away from confronting the deeper questions and challenges integral to our self-actualization. True yoga, with its rich repository of wisdom, admonishes against such indulgences, advocating instead for a steadfast commitment to introspection, self-reflection, and unwavering personal growth. To navigate this journey towards understanding our desires, fears, and motivations, true yoga encourages an inward exploration. This process of self-discovery not only eliminates our authentic selves, but also delineates the paths that lead to a more meaningful existence. The solitude and silence that accompany introspection become sanctuaries for contemplation, enabling us to confront our anxieties, examine our choices, and realign with our deepest values and aspirations. Through this heightened self-awareness, we gain the clarity and purpose needed to navigate life's complexities. We uncover the unique gifts and talents within us, finding authentic ways to express them in the world. This journey of self-exploration and discovery is not merely about finding peace or escaping life's tumult. It's about engaging deeply with our existence, embracing our anxieties as catalysts for growth, and daring to delve into the unknown. In reflecting on the role of anxiety in the human experience, we understand that it is a natural response to the disquieting, confusing, and uncertain nature of existence. While it can be overwhelming, anxiety also harbors the potential to propel us toward greatness and self-actualization. We must acknowledge that stability and fearlessness are not prerequisites for action. Instead, embracing the uncertainties and making choices that resonate with our personal meaning and purpose is what leads to a more fulfilled and authentic life. As we conclude this journey, we are reminded that life's true essence is not found in the absence of challenges, but in our response to them. The teachings of true yoga, deeply rooted in the wisdom of ages, offer us a blueprint for transforming anxiety into a force for personal and spiritual enlightenment. By embracing our inner world, learning to live with our anxieties, and taking bold steps into the realms of personal significance, we unlock the door to a life of profound fulfillment and authenticity. In this transformative journey, let us remember that the greatest discoveries lie not in the external world but within the depths of our own being. Let us cherish and pursue this inward journey with courage, openness, and an unwavering commitment to self-realization. For it is in the heart of our innermost selves that we uncover the true beauty and potential of our existence.